In today's video, I want to share with you 3 lunch sides that are nutritious and kids love. Hi, I'm Laura, and if this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I share lots of school lunch ideas with the tips on how to pack them and keep them fresh until lunch. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button with the bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video is released every single week. Up first, these incredible chocolate chip cookie dough snack bars. They are a no-bake recipe and you can make them ahead of time. They come together in the food processor by mixing your nuts and dates, makes it sweeter. We add also a little bit of vanilla and salt to enhance the flavor. And once it has a crumbly texture, we add a few chocolate chips. And then I just transfer this dough onto my prepared pan, press it down and refrigerate it until it gets solid, a few hours. And with a knife, I just slice them into bars. Another great side to add to any lunchbox is a smoothie. I love it because you can pack loads of nutrition. While I'm making a banana and coconut smoothie, this works with any smoothie recipe that you want. You simply add your smoothie ingredients in the blender jar. Once it's smooth, I simply pour my smoothie in these 1-cup freezer safe jars that I'll link below for you, and then I stick them frozen in the lunch bag because they act as an ice pack and they stay chilled until lunch. And one last side, which you might not have thought about, are these broccoli nuggets. I make these for dinner, but I also great to send to school. They are the kind of recipe that you make a bunch ahead of time and keep them in the freezer. The food processor does all the work of chopping all the ingredients for the recipe. It's the perfect combination of broccoli and cheese. It's cheesy and delicious. Another tip to make nuggets really quickly is to use a cookie scoop to shape them and then use a fork to press them down. They go in the oven and they come out perfect and delicious, which can be added into any lunchbox, hot or cold. Weren't those sides for lunch out of the box? Let me know in the comments how you bulk up your lunches, and remember to check the description box below for the recipes. See you next time.